Design that inspires. Sleek aesthetics meet practicality. First impressions matter, and the 2024 Kia Optima makes a bold statement right from the start. Its exterior design is a harmonious blend of sleek lines and athletic curves, exuding an air of modern sophistication. The signature Kia Tiger Nose grille takes center stage, flanked by sharp LED headlights that pierce through the darkness. The sculpted hood and flowing side profile hint at the Optima's dynamic capabilities, while the sloping roofline adds a touch of sportiness to its silhouette. Step inside the cabin and you'll be greeted by a spacious and well-appointed interior that prioritizes both comfort and functionality. High-quality materials adorn the dashboard and door panels, creating a premium ambiance. The roomy cabin comfortably accommodates up to 5 passengers, with ample legroom and headroom for all occupants. The seats are supportive and plush, ensuring a pleasant ride even on long journeys. The Optima's generous trunk space provides ample room for luggage or groceries, making it a practical choice for everyday errands or weekend getaways. A sanctuary of comfort and technology, the 2024 Kia Optima isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey. The cabin is thoughtfully designed to provide a comfortable and connected driving experience. The driver-centric cockpit puts all controls within easy reach, while the intuitive infotainment system keeps you entertained and informed. The standard 8-inch touchscreen display provides access to a range of features including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. For those seeking an even more immersive experience, a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen display is available as an option. This upgrade unlocks additional features such as satellite navigation, a premium sound system, and wireless charging for your smartphone. Dual-zone climate control allows both driver and front passenger to personalize their temperature settings, ensuring a comfortable environment for all. The Optima also offers a range of convenience features, including heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a power-adjustable driver's seat with memory settings.